Hello, my name is Anandardhan. I am a student of Velamal Bodhi campus studying in class 8 IIT2. Today I am going to show you the study pal which I created for the Bodhibot competition. The objective of this application is to help students improve in their studies. When the students improve in their studies, the teachers get to know where and when to help them out. So there is this flowchart which I created explaining it. So the students upload a PDF and this application generates MCQs, question and answers and summaries. By MCQs I mean multiple choice questions. So these multiple choice questions and question answers are evaluated by this online model API. So this interface was generated by Streamlit Python. Streamlit is an open source Python framework used to deliver interactive data applications with just a few lines of code. So after this is all completed, the MCQs and question answers with the report are sent with an email report to the teacher, and the student specifies the teacher's email address and also gives a heading with their name. So this is the concept, and now let's go to explaining the process in which it works. So the student uploads a PDF and there's a thing called FIDS. This is all Python. So FIDS takes the PDFs and extracts the text from it, and it sends it to the online model API, which is DeepSeek, and this DeepSeek just sends what it is required to send to the Streamlit Python UI, which means user interface, and the email report is generated. So now let's just see how this works. Command prompt. Yeah, it's been opened. Let's prepare MCQs first. Browse files. I have this history book open. Now we can specify how many questions we want MCQs. For now, let's just have 5 and generate MCQs. And when we are generating MCQs, what is actually happening now is this content is extracted using FLIDS and it's sent to the DeepSeek API, and this API is in turn sending us MCQs, and these MCQs are just displayed here using the user interface, which is generated in Streamlit and Python. Streamlit was very useful for this. So let's see, these are the MCQs. And we can actually answer these. The default answers are always A. So I'm just going to randomly select something. A, B, C, D, C. Okay, now let's just submit the answers. And now when we submit the answers, this is happening, wait. Yeah, so it just generates a report of what's actually happening here, where we need to improve, what's the correct answer, how many marks we scored, and everything like that. Wait, I'll just open my other Google account in the meanwhile. Gmail. Okay, yeah, it's loading. The email address is student1210.test@gmail.com. I accidentally named this Gmail ID student. It's not student, it's teacher. Okay, so this is being generated and some error. Yeah, sorry for pausing right there. I had an internet problem, so I wasn't able to continue. Now the internet's back and I got the report. This is a different set of questions. So here's the evaluation for it. Now the teacher's ID is student. I told you I accidentally made a mistake. Student. What did I do? 1 to 10.test@gmail.com. @gmail.com, yeah. And I can specify my name here. Anand's report, yeah. Anand's report. Student1to10@gmail.com, yeah. And this is logged in another one of my email IDs. There's that error. Yeah, it's signed in into this one. Yeah, it's sent it. Yeah, sent to student1to10.test@gmail.com successfully. Yeah, open it. Yeah, I got the message. Yeah, see, I got the message and it states everything. I got 1 out of 5 because I said everything randomly. Yeah, so this is it. Now next, prepare question and answers. Let's just say 2, 3. Yeah, let's just say 2. And generate questions. And we're generating the questions. Yeah, this too has the same type of structure. It's generated the questions. Let's just say I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. And I don't know. I don't know and I don't know. Okay, so I've sent it and it's a long process. It's going a long way from here. Plus this DeepSeek API isn't really used by many people, so it's not too fast. Okay, and where were we? Yeah, we got the email. Let's just read it. What was James Mill's classification of Indian history? Students answer A. Correct answer B. They even specified what the answer is. So incorrect. And they also give an explanation. And it's like that for all the other questions. And then scoring and feedback. Total score 1 out of 5. Strong areas. Understanding the British administrative motives, question 2. Weak areas. Misinterpretation of James Mill's classification, question 1. And basis in official records, question 3. And lack of awareness of alternative history sources, question 5. And it also gives us suggestions for improvement. Focus on, whatever. Now it is generated. And we can send the email. Yeah, we send it. And it has sent to student1to10@gmail.com. Let's just see. Now we received another one. Answer. Student's answer, I don't know. Score 0 out of 5. Yeah, weak areas, strong areas, strengths. It tells us everything. And prepare a summary. We just generate a powerful summary. I like the name that I named it. Generate a powerful summary. Yeah, let's just see this till it comes. Score 0 out of 5. The answer does not address. Correction. James Mill's classification. James Mill divided Indian history into Hindu, Muslim and British periods based on the religion of ruling powers, believing it reflected backwardness of the Indian society before the British rule. Problems with the classification. Yeah, it says everything. And this the teacher's report. It's a new email created for this, and it has it. And yeah, this is the summary, and this would cover all the important points, every single point related. Yeah, well, that's it. Thank you.